In India, millions of women face a silent battle every day. This silent battle is depression. Do you know that approximately 15.9% of Indian women suffer from depression in their lifetime, and almost half of them experience major depression in their lifetime? Depression is more than just feeling sad. It's a serious mental health condition that affects our thoughts, emotions, and daily lives. Studies show that untreated depression can lead to severe consequences. In fact, it's one of the leading causes of disability and suicide. At present, there are around 700 million females in India. Out of them, 450 million fall in the age group of 15 to 64. It means that almost 36 million are either facing or will face severe depression in their lifetime. It is a serious issue as a society. These women are our mothers, wives, daughters, sisters, or friends. The only good thing about depression is that it is treatable, and early intervention can make all the difference. That's why it's crucial for women to take that first step towards seeking help and getting the support they deserve. Taking an online depression test can be an essential starting point. It allows you to assess your mental well-being in the comfort and privacy of your own space. Here is how it works. Simply open your browser and visit BetterHealthFacts.com. From the top menu, select Evaluate Your Health and scroll down to find the link to our depression measuring tool. Click on Check It Yourself, and you'll be directed to a new page. To begin the 3-minute test, click on Start Test. Answer a few questions to the best of your knowledge, and in the end, it will provide you with your depression status. By taking this test, you're taking an important step toward helping yourself. And remember, sharing is caring. Share this video with those who need it the most. Remember, seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. Talking to a mental health professional can provide you with guidance, support, and treatment options tailored to your needs. Take the first step towards a healthier, happier you. Visit BetterHealthFacts.com to take the online depression test today. Remember, you are not alone, and there are people who really care for you.